Kubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ki Nonghikai Skul Adhoc hapo kashatri jong ka Federation of All School Teachers Association haka arpu arterik uyayong arhajar arpu ar kila penong ya kejingiat ba batur sya secretariat halor ka jingsngap kenti ka sarkar ya kimat jingdawa bakuntop ya ka jingentiyo ya barok ki Nonghikai Adhoc sya ka deficit. Hakani kasngi kinong yalam kilalet ru banya kandu ya commissioner ka education henry hakani ka Jingïakren ka Jingïakren kam Shim la Seisoh. Komta kila lombiang yang jingya lang hamadan malki bat Shim ya kirai jingya ki bating bakan thop nadu ke jing Sangeh Shim Klas ban ya Shim mentah ki program jong ke sarkar bat kiwe ke basdang nadu ke arpu ar tarik uyayong ar hajar arpu ar.
Of all the other teachers, whether we will carry on this resolution taken in general meeting in Garo Hills or no. Yes. If we all agree, let us all stand together to see the approval of the House. Starting from today itself, and from the Federation of All School of Teachers of Meghalaya, we request all the management of the school, whether they are the village school, whether they are the mission school, or whether they are the individual school, you please cooperate with the Federation in order to make our program a success. We have only requests to the school management, because why? We are fighting for the cause of whom? If the teachers are well paid, we will get the management later on after we retire. They will be able to get good trained professionals in teaching. It will benefit them. So we take this message to the management to kindly cooperate with us in this program of indefinite non-cooperation. So, and apart from this approval, I would like to request any other teachers to suggest other form of programs that will be taken by the Federation.
Resolution number 2, full-fledged agitation would be launched during the rally, where the Federation would start its indefinite non-cooperation movement. The indefinite non-cooperation movement includes the boycott of classes, boycott of evaluations, and boycott of any other activities put up by the government. Hence, the indefinite non-cooperation movement would start from this day itself, that is 22nd March, April 2022. Solution number 3, volunteers, including teachers, parents, would be selected to communicate and check that the indefinite non-cooperation movement is enforced in all the ad hoc schools in the entire state. So these are the 3 resolutions taken by the House. Thank you.